Okay, we have some Moo Fuku. Fu? Whatever. They'll be in the orange shopping cart down below if you guys want to try them. They're really delicious and a much better deal getting them on here. You get like 3 different kinds. This is so good for a snack at night. I did the spicy soy. My husband and I, we're still really hungry after dinner, even though it's been like 3 hours since dinner, but still. The best restaurant style noodle. These are not as spicy at all as the other noodles that I eat. These ones are a lot more bearable for the ones that are spicy, like the spicy soy. I don't feel like I need a glass of milk with it.